I'm Mia with Stall's Transfer Express, and today we're going to cover the key steps to scale your business from home to full-time and how Transfer Express makes growing easy without needing any expensive equipment. So whether you're just starting out or wanting to grow your business, you'll want to stick around for this one. One of the biggest mistakes new business owners make is thinking that they need expensive equipment to get started. But the truth is, you don't need a DTF printer, a screen printing setup, or a huge budget to create professional looking tees. All you need is a heat press and Transfer Express transfers. That's exactly how thousands of decorators got their start, printing high quality designs without the hassle and cost of printing in-house. With Ultra Color Max transfers, you can get full color detailed designs with just a heat press. That means no weeding, no mess, and no inventory. And with our screen printed transfers, you can knock out large ones fast, still giving professional and long-lasting results. This means you can maximize profit while keeping costs low, and that is the secret to scaling your business. If you want to turn your side hustle into a full-time business, you need to focus on building a brand, not just selling t-shirts. Some of the most successful decorators started by niching down and focusing on specific markets like event tees, corporate branding, team uniforms, or band merch. Once you've chosen a niche, focus on creating a consistent brand identity. That means your logos, colors, and messaging should all be recognizable and professional. Using Transfer Express transfers, you can match the brand colors perfectly for repeat orders. The key is to become the go-to printer for your niche. You want to build long-lasting relationships that keep customers coming back. Let's talk about how real decorators have taken their t-shirt business from side hustle to full-grown success. Tons of decorators have started out the exact same way, with just a heat press, Transfer Express transfers, and a vision of growth. Some started printing in a spare room or garage, just taking orders from local schools or businesses, while others built their brands online through marketplaces like Etsy or Shopify. As their businesses grew, so did their production. They scaled by using Transfer Express transfers for efficiency and quality, built strong customer relationships for repeat business, and focused on a niche to stand out in a competitive market. Some moved into dedicated commercial spaces and hired teams, while others decided to stay home-based and grow their income to 6 figures and beyond. And all of this was done without ever needing expensive printing equipment. The takeaway is that growth is possible without the overhead, risk, or guesswork. With Transfer Express, you can scale your business on your own terms, keeping costs low and quality high. So how do you go from small orders to big money? The key is efficiency. With Transfer Express, you can print one-off designs with Ultra Color Max or knock out bulk orders with our screen printed transfers. By choosing the right transfer type for your projects, you can increase production, reduce labor, and grow faster, all without needing expensive printing equipment. Ready to go from side hustle to full-time success? Start smart. Keep costs low using Transfer Express transfers, build your brand and your niche to stand out, and scale your business with efficiency and repeat customers. Remember, you don't need a DTF printer, a huge budget, or a warehouse to succeed. You just need the right strategy, a heat press, and the best transfers in the business. Head to transferexpress.com to get started today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that bell notification so that you never miss an upload from us. I'm Mia with Transfer Express, and I'll see you in the next one.